ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो नारायणाय।
Namaskaram. Today I'm going to chant Canto 35, which is in continuity of Canto 34, the story of incarnation as Rama. नीतः सुग्रीवमैत्रीं तदनु हनुमता दुदुम्बेह कायमुच्चैः क्षिप्त्वाङ्गशुष्टेन भूयोलुलवितयुगपपत्रना सप्तसालान् हत्वा सुग्रीवघातोदितमतुलबलं बालिनं व्याजवृत्त्या वर्षावेलामनैषि विरहतरिलितस्तवं मतङ्गाश्रमान्ते. After concluding an alliance with Sugriva, to the officers of Hanuman, thou did, in demonstrating thy strength, fling away the dead body of the demon Dundubi with thy toe, and cut asunder 7 sala trees simultaneously with a single arrow. Then, adopting a stratagem, thou did destroy the invincible Bali while he was about to kill Sugriva in a duel, and spent the rainy season in Matangashrama in pangs of separation from Sita. सुग्रीवेणानुजोक्त्या सभयमयभियता व्यूहितां वाहिनीं तां वृक्षाणां वीक्ष्य दिक्षु द्रुतमतदयितामार्गणाय वनं राम सन्देशञ्चाङ्गुलीयं भवनसुतकरे प्रादिशो मोधशाली मार्गे मार्गे ममार्गे कपिभिरपि तदा त्वत्प्रिया सप्रयासैः. Frightened by Lakshmana's admonition, Sugriva appeared before thee and soon marshalled a large army of monkeys to search for thy consort Sita in all quarters. Delighted with the view of the army standing in all readiness, thou did entrust to Hanuman a signet ring and a message for Sita. The monkeys then started on a painstaking search for thy consort in every direction. Tadvarta karnanodya guru durujava sampati vakya protirnano dhirantanagari janakajam viksha dattanguliyam prakshudyo dhyanamakshakshappana चणरणः चोळबन्धो दशास्यं दृष्ट्वा प्लुष्ट्वा च लङ्कां झटिति स हनुमान्मौलिरत्नं ददौ ते. Sampati, who developed new wings on listening to the holy account, gave before flying away directions about Sita's whereabouts to Hanuman, who thereupon leaped over the ocean to Lanka, where he met Sita and gave her the signet ring. Then he destroyed the gardens of Lanka, killed Akshakumara, the son of Ravana, in fight, put up with the bondage of Brahmastra employed by Meghanada, met Ravana, burnt Lanka, returned to the mainland and presented to Rama the crest jewel given by Sita as a mark of recognition. त्वं सुग्रीवाङ्गदादि प्रबलकपिचमूचक्रविक्रान्तभूमि चक्रोऽभिक्रम्य पारे जलधि निशिचरेन्द्रानुजाह्रियमाणः तत्प्रोक्तां शत्रुवार्तां रहसि निशमयन प्रार्थना पार्थ्यरोष प्रास्ताग्नेयास्त्रतेजस्त्रसदुदिगिरा लब्धवान् मध्यमार्गम्. Then thou didst start with a huge army of monkeys, led by heroes like Sugriva and Angada, and reached the ocean beach when Ravana's brother Vibhishana crossed over to thy side, took refuge in thee, and disclosed to thee all the secrets of the enemy, as prayers failed to move the deity of the ocean to give thee a way across, thou in great anger did threaten the ocean with the fire missile, whereupon the ocean in mighty dread yielded thee a way to cross over to Lanka. कीशैराशान्तरोपाहृतगिरिनिकरैः सेतुमाधाप्य यातून्यामर्द्य दंष्ट्रानखशिखरी शिलासालशस्त्रैः स्वसैन्यैः व्याकुर्वन् सानुजस्तवं समरभुवि परं विक्रमं शक्रजेत्रा वेगानागास्त्रपदः पतगपति गुरुं मारुतै मूर्छितो अभूः. A bridge was built across the sea with mountains brought by the monkeys from all quarters, and crossing over to Lanka along it, thy army of monkeys attacked the Rakshasas with teeth, claws, mountains, rocks, and palm trees. While thyself and thy brother were displaying terrific prowess in the field of battle, Indrajit, Ravana's son, immobilized thy troops with serpent missile, from which state they soon recovered as Garuda, thy vehicle, appeared and fanned them with his wings. सौमित्रीस्तवत्र शक्तिप्रहृति गलदसुवतिजानितशैलघ्राणात् प्राणानुपेतो व्यकृणतो स्पृश्रुतिश्रलागिनं मेघनाथं मायाक्षोभेषु वैभीषण वचनहृतस्तम्भनः कुम्भकर्णं सम्प्राप्तं कम्पितो वीतल मखिलचमू दक्षिणं यक्षिणोस्तवम्. Lakshmana was about to lose his life, struck by a powerful missile discharged by Ravana, but was revived by the smell of a medicinal herb brought by Hanuman along with the very mountain on which it grew. Lakshmana then killed in battle Meghanada, Indrajit, the son of Ravana, who was a master of magical warfare. Next, by Vibhishana's counsel, thou were freed from the stunning effect of Ravana's illusory beheading of Sita, conjured up by his magical powers. This was followed by the destruction of Kumbhakarna, and who had joined battle, causing tremors on earth and swallowing whole armies of monkeys. ग्रहणनजम्बारि सम्प्रेषितरथकवचौ रावणेनाभियुद्धयन ब्रह्मास्त्रेणास्य विदन गलतमिलबलामग्निशुद्धां प्रगृह्णन् देवश्रेणीवरो जीवितसमरभृतैरक्षतैर्वृक्षसङ्घैः लङ्काभद्रा च साकं निजनगरमगाः सप्रियः पुष्पकेण. Fighting in a chariot provided by Indra along with a protective maid, thou did cut off the 10 heads of Ravana with the Brahma missile and reaccept Sita after she had passed through an ordeal by fire. The host of monkeys wounded or killed in battle were healed and received by the Devas. Then thou didst go back to thy city of Ayodhya with thy consort and Vibhishana, now king of Lanka, in the aerial vehicle known as Pushpaka. प्रीतो दिव्याभिषेकैरयुतसमधिकानवत्सरान् पर्यरंसीर् मैथिल्यां पापवाचा शिव शिव किल तां गर्भिणीमभ्यहासिः शत्रुघ्नेनार्दयित्वा लवणनिशिचरं पार्थयः शूद्रपाशं तावद्वाल्मीकि गेहे कृतवसति रूपासुत सीतासुतौ ते. Pleased with the crowning ceremony conducted by Vashishta and others, Thou did rule happily for over 10,000 years, reacting to scandalous gossip about Sita. Thou did abandon her in spite of her being in the family way then. Shatrughna killed Ravana, and thou did punish the Sudras ascetic, and Sita, who was sheltered in the hermitage of Valmiki, bore the twin sons. वाल्मीकिस्तवत्सुतो गदगापितमधुरकृते राज्ञा यज्ञवाटे सीतां त्वयाप्तु कामे क्षितिमविशदसौ त्वं च कालार्थितो अभूः हेतोः सौमित्रिघाती स्वयमतसरयूमग्न निःशेषभूत्यैः साकं नाकं प्रयातो निजपदमगमो देववैकुण्ठमाद्यमः. In thy sacrificial hall, after thy sons recited Valmiki's beautiful composition on thy glorious deeds known as Ramayana, thou were consoled by that sage to take back Sita, but disappeared into the bosom of Mother Earth. The deity of time now requested thee to return to thy abode of Vaikuntha. Thereupon thou did contrive to abandon Lakshmana and did not soon go back to thy eternal abode of Vaikuntha by submerging thyself with all thy attendants in the waters of Sarayu. सोऽयं मर्त्यावितारस्तव खलु नियतं मर्त्यशिक्षार्थमेवं विश्लेषार्थी निरागत्य जनपपि भवेत कामधर्मातिसक्त्या नो चेत् स्वात्मानुभूतेः कुतु तव मनसो विक्रियाचक्रपाणे सत्त्वं सत्त्वैकमूर्ते पवनपुरपते व्याधुनो व्याधितापान. This human embodiment of thine is for instructing mankind how too much attachment, that is karma, will lead to pangs of the separation, and how extreme addiction to dharma, the letter of the law, will push one to such adharma as abandonment of innocent ones. Otherwise, it is unimaginable how thou, who art ever established in the Atman consciousness, can't ever have any weakness of mind. O thou Lord of Guruvayur, the very embodiment of Sattva, deign to remove my sufferings from the disease. So the Canto 35 is completed. I will be back with Canto 36 in the coming week. Till then, Namaskaram, Hari Om Tat Sat.